That's not a good sign when the door's been left wedged open. I didn't think we'd got in. Why has that door been left open? It closes. Certainly closes. Candles. There's a little bit of a mess in here, but this is where I want to stay tonight. I've never stayed in this one. Somebody's left a bottle of water opened. Look around the main one. Hello? There's a brush there, more candles. Stuff been left over, kindling, etc. Do like the view out of here. Use that brush. And so many bothy books. Somebody was here last night. Someone from America was here the other day, 28th. Anything in this one? No. I wonder if somebody's left down here then. Side, I'll show you again. There was a problem with that door sticking last time. Doesn't look too bad, that bin looks overflowing though. Somebody broke into that. We have as well. Friggin' hell. Geocache. I'll leave them in here. The poker. And he's left. Oh, what's in there? Let's have a look. Just more candles. Right, let's get the gear into the next one. So, brought me 10k coal, big bag of logs, 3 instant light and fire logs. Can have a bit of a clean up first, so I've also got me beers. My water, some bits to help keep the fire going. Right. Oh, doesn't look too bad there, it's just around it. Right. Let's get cleaning. Stuff here, I'm going to light the fire, there's plenty of fuel. It's gone a bit chilly. But let's get the flame on.